The rapid advancements in technology have revolutionized the way we capture and share moments. One of the most significant developments in recent years has been the evolution of smartphone cameras. From their humble beginnings with VGA resolution to the advent of Ultra HD capabilities, smartphone cameras have come a long way, empowering users to capture stunning images and videos directly from their pockets. In today's video, we will be showing you the evolution of smartphone cameras, from VGA to Ultra HD. Without further ado, let's begin. VGA Video Graphics Array. The early days of smartphone cameras saw the introduction of VGA resolution, which provided a meager 640 x 480 pixel count. Despite the low resolution, these cameras were groundbreaking at the time, enabling users to capture basic images and videos. The VGA cameras employed a relatively simple sensor with limited capabilities, resulting in images that lacked detail and sharpness. The images were often characterized by visible pixelation and a lack of dynamic range. However, the VGA cameras laid the foundation for future advancements in mobile photography, sparking interest and paving the way for more sophisticated technologies. Megapixel Revolution. The next significant step in smartphone camera evolution came with the introduction of higher megapixel counts. Manufacturers began to increase the sensor resolution, allowing for more detailed images. Initially, 1 to 2 megapixel cameras became standard, marking a substantial improvement over VGA cameras. The higher resolution allowed for crisper images, with more defined edges and reduced pixelation. Users could now capture photos with greater clarity, although low light performance and dynamic range still pose challenges. Nonetheless, this megapixel revolution paved the way for further innovations, setting the stage for higher resolution cameras to come. Autofocus and image stabilization. As smartphone cameras progressed, autofocus and image stabilization technologies became integral features. Autofocus allowed the camera to automatically adjust its focal point, ensuring sharper images even when capturing moving subjects or objects at varying distances. This technology was a game-changer, as it eliminated the need for manual adjustments and enabled users to capture more accurate and focused shots effortlessly. Image stabilization, on the other hand, addressed the issue of camera shake, reducing blur and improving overall image quality. Optical image stabilization (OIS) and later electronic image stabilization (EIS) techniques became commonplace, enabling users to take smoother, less shaky videos and clearer still images. Low light performance. One of the major challenges for smartphone cameras was capturing quality images in low light conditions. Innovations in sensor technology and image processing algorithms brought significant improvements in this area. Bigger sensor sizes, coupled with larger individual pixels, allowed for better light gathering capabilities, resulting in improved low light performance. Additionally, manufacturers implemented advanced noise reduction algorithms to mitigate the noise and grain that typically plagued low-light images. The introduction of features like night mode further enhanced the ability of smartphone cameras to capture impressive photos in challenging lighting situations. Multiple camera systems. Smartphone manufacturers began incorporating multiple cameras into their devices, introducing features like telephoto, wide-angle, and macro lenses. This marked a significant shift in smartphone camera capabilities, as users could now achieve diverse perspectives and optical zoom levels without compromising image quality. Telephoto lenses offered the ability to zoom in on distant subjects, while wide-angle lenses allowed for capturing expansive landscapes or group photos with a wider field of view. Macro lenses enabled users to capture intricate details and close-up shots, expanding the creative possibilities of smartphone photography. Computational photography. The evolution of smartphone cameras brought about the rise of computational photography, where software and algorithms work in conjunction with the camera hardware to enhance image quality and introduce new features. Techniques like ADR, high dynamic range imaging, which combines multiple exposures to capture a wider range of tones, and portrait mode, which uses depth information to create a shallow depth of field effect, became standard features in smartphones. Computational photography also introduced features like AI-based scene recognition, which automatically adjusts camera settings to optimize image quality based on the detected scene or subject. Sensor size and pixel quality. In addition to increasing megapixel counts, smartphone cameras have witnessed advancements in sensor size and pixel quality. Larger sensors allow for improved light sensitivity and better dynamic range, resulting in more detailed and balanced images. Manufacturers have also focused on pixel quality, opting for larger individual pixels that can capture more light and produce better image quality, especially in challenging lighting conditions. These developments have contributed to the overall improvement in image sharpness, color accuracy, and overall image fidelity. Advanced camera features. Smartphone cameras have become equipped with an array of advanced features that further enhance the user experience. These features include advanced autofocus systems, such as phase detection autofocus, PDAF, and laser autofocus, which enable faster and more accurate focusing. Additionally, technologies like optical zoom, hybrid zoom, and periscope lenses have been introduced to provide users with increased zoom capabilities without sacrificing image quality. These features have transformed smartphone cameras into versatile tools for capturing a wide range of subjects and scenarios with precision and clarity. AI and machine learning integration. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning have played a significant role in the evolution of smartphone cameras. Through AI algorithms, smartphone cameras can intelligently recognize scenes, objects, and faces, optimizing camera settings automatically for the best possible results. AI-powered features such as automatic scene detection, smart exposure adjustment, and real-time image enhancement have become increasingly common, allowing users to capture stunning photos effortlessly. Machine learning algorithms also contribute to features like image segmentation and advanced image processing, enabling functions like background blur, object removal, and even real-time style transfer for creative effects. Ultra HD and beyond. The pinnacle of smartphone camera evolution arrived with the introduction of Ultra HD 4K video recording and ultra-high-resolution sensors. Ultra HD video brought a level of detail and clarity previously reserved for professional cameras, allowing users to capture stunning videos with exceptional quality. Similarly, sensors with resolutions exceeding 20 megapixels became commonplace, enabling users to capture incredibly detailed images with abundant sharpness and clarity. These advancements pushed the boundaries of what was possible in mobile photography and solidified smartphones as capable imaging devices. The evolution of smartphone cameras from VGA to Ultra HD has been nothing short of remarkable. Each step in this journey brought significant improvements in image quality, low-light performance, and the overall capabilities of smartphone photography. From the humble beginnings of VGA resolution to the integration of multiple cameras and the rise of computational photography, smartphones have become powerful tools for capturing and preserving life's precious moments. As technology continues to advance, we can expect further innovations that will redefine our expectations of smartphone cameras, unlocking new creative possibilities for users worldwide. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.